Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTCS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Past couple of days, things were looking really rough, and then you can see things pretty much leveled out right there. And from that point forward, the bulls have been, building some higher stair steps here, building some higher bases, and that's the name of the game. So definitely want to get some levels of support mapped out, and then we can talk areas of resistance too. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 0.112. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can somehow manage to stay up above it, that would just be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Next level of support after that is going to be the very famous 50-period simple moving average, which on my chart is being denoted by the purple line right there. And the nice thing that has started to happen, for a while you can see it was sloping downwards, and then past couple of days, mainly today, it started to level off. And if the price can stay up above it, eventually this moving average is going to start to curl its way upwards and then get a nice upwards trajectory to it. And when that starts to happen, that is just another sign that the bulls have not only kind of taken control, but now they're starting to build momentum and gain that much more control. Don't get me wrong, there's still work to be done. Easiest way to see that is the line technically is still just going sideways as it stands right now. But again, if the price can start to stay above it, and better yet, separate to the upside and continue to work its way to the upside, then that purple line, like I said, is going to start to curl and curl in the upwards direction. And assuming you're bullish, of course, that's exactly what you want to see happen. So if you haven't connected those dots, definitely that purple line is a very important level of support going forward. But the good news is the price is way up there and that level is way down there. So it's not like that's exactly close to being threatened or anything like that at this point in time. What about areas of resistance? Two main levels stand out to me. The first one is more so a short-term one, and that's right up there at 0.118. And then after 0.118, it's just simply where the party stopped this morning, and that was up there at 0.124. So 0.118, 0.124, next two key areas of resistance. All in all, though, no doubt about it, as I started off the video pointing out, the stairs are, or the price is starting to build some upward stair steps, building some higher bases. And as long as the price can continue to do that, that's the name of the game. So the week is young, still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.